What if you really want to paint your rainbow lips, maybe for a pride makeup look, or maybe you're just in a colorful mood, but you don't have all these fancy colors of lipsticks, like maybe you have some, but not all the colors of the rainbow. However, you own some colorful eyeshadows. Then this video is exactly for you. I call it the lazy way of painting a rainbow lip because first of all you only need one lipstick, and second, the blending method is much easier than in the previous tutorial. Apply a lip primer balm to smooth out your lips, and by the way, I did dye my hair back rainbow this time, it's not a wig anymore. Use a black liquid lipstick to apply as your base color, and just start applying it as you would apply the regular black liquid lip color, so as if you were about to wear the black lipstick all over your lip. If you overline your lips, this is the stage where you do that. If you don't, then you don't. Make sure that the lipstick is fully opaque in the middle, like in all the parts of your lips, that the border is even. Don't be afraid to dip the sponge several times and to go over and over again. So when you have a perfect black lip, you go for a blending eyeshadow brush and start dipping it into colorful eyeshadows. For example, this one here is a yellow loose eyeshadow, and you put it in the middle of your lips, intensifying it towards the middle and slightly blending it out towards the edge, but not reaching the edge. Then in between the colors, wipe the brush off a tissue. The tissue has to have texture so that you wipe the bristles. On one side of the yellow, put the lime green, and then on the other side, put the orange. And this way we are going to do like a rainbow circle across the two lips, a color wheel if you please. Then put the rosy pink or red, whichever you prefer, a cooler green, like an emerald green. Also, if an eyeshadow is more firmly pressed, you can use a smaller, more densely packed brush and apply that eyeshadow towards the middle and then blend it outwards with the blending brush. Here is some hot pink on the upper lip, then some teal to be the neighbor of the green to complete our wheel. Blend, 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 putting some purple next to the pink. And next to the teal, we are, of course, going to use some blue color. Blend them calmly and remember, don't reach the border so that the border stays black. You have that black outline. Then in the middle, you're going to put some periwinkle, which is in between blue and purple. Personally, with this lip, I felt like it was too blue, so I also added the rose pink and the green and blended the hot pink over the purple. Now, this is a cool vampy rainbow lip, which is really super easy to do. And you don't need a lot of lipsticks, just a black lipstick and an eyeshadow palette. What do you think of this quick rainbow result? I think it matches the eyes as well, the tutorial for which will be available in my YouTube shorts. So definitely check them out in a couple of days. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss anything. And if you want to know other ways to do your rainbow lips, just check this out. See you there. Bye.